You guys both have the same accent. It's weird, isn't it? Did y'all know each other?
Oh yeah, for years.
Oh, okay.
24 years we've been
Oh, wow,
together.
a long time. That's funny. I was like, hey, he has an accent too. Yeah. There you go. Now just let her go and you come towards me. Let's see if she shows anything. Ah, there you go. Good. Quick, quick, quick. Yay. Oh, see her look at him? Good girl. That, what she's doing there is excellent. Okay, when she lies down like that. Good job, Twig. She don't like my long line, but that's so we can catch her. Hey, bit light on. Bit light. Yeah, good girl. Good, yeah. So that's called going into balance, which is actually what you want. You want her to naturally fall in there. You see how she naturally fell in there? Nice. Look at you. See?
Wow.
That's what makes. That's exactly what makes. I'll send you a video of Mix.
Yeah, I
So you
found
can
the
see.
one of her 7 weeks as well, so I'll send that over.
Hey. So that was good. That was really good for everyone. Come here. Bit light down. She's like, this is fun, Mom. You mean Mix gets to live with us?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Good
Never
job.
heard that.
Yeah, well, that's her move to the bar. Okay, so that dissipates once they learn how to move their stop. That'll go away. Hey, hey, quick, quick.
I was going to say,
Stay there.
that's the size of my male border collie.
Good. Get that shit. There you go. So now she's a dog that wants to work. She doesn't know how to work. Hey, what you doing? Come here, Twig. Come on, come. Sit. Yeah, good girl. Yep, get him. Ah, good girl. See the little circles? That's exactly. This is how I'd like to see a puppy respond, just like this. This is perfect for her age. Good.
And then I bought one. It was all Barbie.
Hi, fix it. I feel like I'm talking to Mix too.
Yeah, I know.
Because they're together so often. Quick, quick.
And the breeder took offense to that.
Yeah, good girl. Yeah, look at you. Good. That's good. Good job, Twig. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Yeah. See, and all I did was just push her off. Now she's too close. Good girl. Hey.
It was Fireball.
Good girl. Excellent. Look at that. Now you got a herding dog. Look at you. Hey, sit, lie. Stop. Come on, Twig. Yay. Twix, 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 Twix.
Daddy's right
That's
there.
okay. Twix, Twix. She's like, did you see me, Dad?
Yeah, I know.
Did you see me?
Good
I
girl.
take those seats.
Good girl.
I just love her. I love her more because they're in class together too. It's
Yeah.
And Mix loves her. Twix, Twix. Twix, Twix. Look. Shh. Yay, there we go. Come on, here, Twix.